Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. Today we are going to make sunshine with just 3 ingredients. Orange, chocolate, we love chocolate, and a little olive oil. I'm going to start heating up the orange juice. Yesterday, I think it was day 3 of the official hurricane season, we had Tropical Storm Alex that gave us 10 to 12 inches of rain here. You cannot always count on sunshine, except when you make it yourself. What we're doing here today is a chocolate orange glaze. So we have 3.5 ounces of chocolate, about the size of a good bittersweet chocolate bar, and this is semi-sweet. It's, I think, 64%. You want chocolate that's vegan, fair trade, organic, all kinds of good things, so there's chocolate for everyone. And that goes into 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. And I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to show you how it looks like when everything's melted and gorgeous. What I like about this glaze is if you've ever had like powdered sugar glaze, which is an incredible amount of powdered sugar and just a little liquid, kind of grainy, and it tastes raw to me. Because this has 3.5 ounces of chocolate with some of the natural cocoa fat, it's very silky and gorgeous. You can see the chocolate melted right into the orange. Chocolate really has a great affinity for fruit. Orange, raspberry, oh yeah. And I'm going to let this cool a little bit, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of good olive oil, olio puro. Just 2 teaspoons. That's what kind of makes it wonderful and glossy. 3 ingredients, that's all you need. You do need about 15-20 minutes to let it come back to room temperature. So here we are about 15 minutes later with some nice cool creamy glaze. And the question becomes, what do you do with chocolate orange glaze? Oh honey, you have to ask. You can sort of make it a fondue for beautiful fruit, but really it's meant to go on cookies or cake. I want to give credit to pastry queen Fran Costigan. This is essentially her recipe, and anything Fran does, you know, is going to work. She suggests adding orange zest. I think this is pretty zesty without it. It is said that you need to have like a real chemist's mind to do pastry. I don't know that it's true, although Fran is a fantastic example. I do think there's a reason patience and pastry start the same, because one thing I am not is patient. You can do this glaze, make everything gorgeous super fast, love it. Okay, you can get as fancy as you want with this. I'm just gonna add a few strawberries here and there. And I have been especially excited about this recipe because, first of all, it's foolproof, and it's a nice thing for my husband's birthday. It's today, yay! So, happy birthday, Benjamin. I love you so much. Yeah, I planned this. Everybody, I want you to sing with me. We need to celebrate when we can because it's been crazy lately. You never know when it's gonna rain. You can always make your own sunshine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benjamin. Happy birthday to you. You're gonna make a wish? You're gonna, okay. Nailed it. Make your own sunshine, everyone. This is Ellen Canner. Thanks, bye-bye.